Hi, my name is Rick McMillan, and I'll be your instructor for this course. This course goes over how to build a basic Roku channel. And what you'll be learning is how to build a Roku Direct Publisher channel. This is a very simple free-to-watch channel where you can put your content in, you can have people watch your content, and you can do this very, very efficiently. So let's get started. A few words about myself. I started my business, Macmillan Interactive Communications, approximately 25 years ago. And I first started building Roku channels in 2005. Roku was only founded in 2002. So I've been building Roku channels for a very, very long time. I started about 3 years after the company was founded and have been building channels ever since. I'm a software engineer and a digital marketing professional. I help companies and customers produce Roku channels and get them up online, as well as other types of channels for different devices. And I wanted to create and design this course to show you how easy it is to get your own Roku channel going. It's a quick and simple solution, and you'll be able to get up and running in no time. I have built more than 100 channels. I have programmed my own back-end channel management software, which is very helpful if you, especially in creating what's called your data feeds for these channels. You'll see that in a bit. But we are going to go through in this course how to build your data feed 100% by hand and host it on your own website. So that's going to give you a complete picture of how to build every aspect of your Roku channel, self-maintain it, and self-host it. I am recognized by Roku as a very seasoned developer. I've been with them for quite some time and know several principals in the company. The course objectives of this course are fairly simple and straightforward. You will learn about Roku channels and how they work. You will be able to build a Roku Direct Publisher channel, and you will understand how to submit that channel for publishing. Before we begin, you will need a couple of very, very important items. You will need a computer that is connected to an internet. I would suggest that your computer be connected to high-speed internet. This is very, very helpful when you're trying to build a channel. The second thing is you will need a Roku device that is activated for testing. You will need to test your channel on this device. And in order to have a Roku device, you have to have a Roku account, which you will also need. Those two things go together. So if you have a device, you will have an account. Now, when should a person build a Roku Direct Publisher channel? It's good for channels that are free to watch and do not require a paid subscription. It's easier, much easier to build and implement than a traditional SDK channel. And most of the channel can be done with a setup simply inside your own Roku account. If you had to build an SDK channel, which is needed for paid subscription, it would require basic coding skills and setup to configure. But it does not have the limitations of Direct Publisher channel, but it is also much harder to set up. The Direct Publisher requirements are: ensure that your computer is connected, verify you're able to log into your Roku account, and make sure that your Roku device is connected properly to the internet. And with that, we will start the next part of the